What's up, guys? I'm John Erickson. So, how the recording deal is coming along?
I'm fielding a few meetings.
Man, that's great. You know, I've heard your music. You're definitely headed for big things.
Thanks.
What about that Jeep? You ever end up selling it?
Look, I didn't come here for meaningless conversation.
Meaningless? I would think your career is anything but meaningless.
I came here to discuss you and my sister.
So, you want to discuss the fact that you turned down her request to give her away?
I need to walk away from Sasha. I need to do it immediately.
You're joking, right? I mean, I know you don't approve of this union, but even I didn't expect such a bold request.
There are a lot of things that you won't be expecting to go through this marriage.
Wow. Now your shocking words are followed up with a threat. Let me ask you a question. What is it about me and your sister's relationship that threatens you so?
You're wrongful.
How? Because of my skin color? I mean, that could be the only reason why, because you know nothing else about me. Hey, look, I've tried to get to know you for Sasha's sake, only to be constantly avoided. So how would you know whether or not I am good for your sister? You wouldn't.
I don't have to know you in order to feel the spirit of the devil. There's a reason why I don't have my sister. I just haven't figured it out.
Yeah, a devil. I think you've been following too much Theatrical. Not only am I after your sister, we're after one another. We're in love. Wait a minute. Is that what this is all about? Us being in love? The real reason why you don't want us being together is out of some sibling jealousy? I mean, that's got to be it. Because certainly, you're not racist. I mean, didn't I hear Kanye rant, black people can't be racist?
Why don't you do me a favor and take a look at the contents inside of that envelope? I think maybe it will give you a clearer picture. Here you go. That's the reaction I was looking for.
You had me followed? Did you follow me?
But do whatever it takes to clear my feelings. Now that's how it's going to work out. When my sister goes to work tomorrow, you're going to have all of your belongings moved from here. The note discipline exit. You will never contact her again.
You think this photo is going to make me do all that?
My sister is out of touch. Go to her and you're out like the garbage. She will also start questioning herself, and I don't want to. I'd rather for her to just think that you're an asshole than have cold feet.
You can play dirty, but so can I. I'll see you in hell.